Hello student, today's topic is transport layer. Transport layer is a responsible for reliability, flow control and correction of the data which is being sent over the internet. Means what are the responsibility of the transport layer? Reliability. Reliability means 100% insurance that data will be sending from sender to receiver and receiver will get all the data from the sender. Flow control and correction of the data which been sent over the network. There are two types of protocol used for the transport layer are user datagram protocol and transmission control protocol, that is UDP and TCP. First of all, UDP. UDP means user datagram protocol. It provides the the connection-less service and end-to-end delivery of the transmission. Means this protocol is used for transmission of the data from one terminal to another terminal without wire. It is unreliable protocol and it is discovered the error but not specify the error. Means this protocol is discover error but it is not specified. UDP consists of following fields. UDP consists of following fields. It consists of source address, destination address, total length and checksum. Source address, source port address is the address of the application program that has been created the message. It is a sender. Then destination address, where we are receiving the data, we are receiving the messages, that is the destination address. Total length, it defines the total number of bytes of the user datagram in bits. Checksum is a 16-bit field used for the error detection. Checksum means at the transmitter, at the receiver, a value will be checked at sender and receiver. If the value will be same, then there is no error, otherwise there is an error. That is called as a checksum. UDP does not specify which packet is lost. UDP contain only a checksum. It does not contain an ID of the data segment. Means UDP is responsible for sending the data from one place to another place, but in this transferring the data, if any one packet is lost, that responsibility is not taken by the UDP. Then UDP header format. UDP consists of header and the data. Header format consists of 16-bit source address, 16-bit destination address, total length in 16 byte and 16-bit checksum. These are the header points of the UDP. After that, there is a transmission control protocol, that is TCP, transfer control protocol. It is the full of transport layer services to the application. It creates a virtual circuit between the sender and receiver. It acts like the it it active for the duration of the transmission. Means in TCP, for sender to receiver, it make a path. Means it is a wireless system. It first of all it make the path and then data will be transmitted, whereas in UDP there is a wireless. Okay, TCP is reliable protocol as it detect the error and retransmit the damage frame. Therefore it ensures all the segment must be received and acknowledged before the transmission is considered to be completed and virtual circuit is discarded. Means when at the time when we are transferring data from one terminal to another terminal, at that time a virtual circuit, a virtual path will be created, and after that it will be collapsed. And then it is a reliable means it gives the surety that data will be sent, all the data packets are be sent from sender to receiver. If any problems, any error will be occur, then it retransmit the damage frame. Okay, then at the sender end, TCP divides whole messages into the unit called as a segment, and each segment contains the sequence number which is required to recorded the frames in the form of original messages. Means in the sender, all the total data will be divided into the segments and each segments have a sequence number, because at the receiver all the segments are to be collected collected in order, and at the receiver TCP collects all the segment and recorded them based on the sequence number. Okay, then what is the difference between the TCP and UDP? First one is a definition. It is a communication protocol using which the data is transmitted between the system over the network. In this, data is transmitted into the form of packets. It contains error checking, guarantee of the delivery, and the preserve the order of the data packet. It is the same as that of TCP protocol, except it does not guarantee of the error checking and the data recovery. If you use this protocol, the data will be sent continuously irrespective of issues of the receiving end. Means here TCP is a, if there is an error, it will be check the error. There is a 100% surety of all the segments or the data will be sending from sender to receiver, and also there is a order of the segment so that it will preserve at the sender to receiver. So at the receiver we are getting all the data in the sequence, whereas in the UDP there is a data will be sending from sender to receiver but don't have any guarantee, doesn't have any guarantee. There is a error checking but it cannot be recovered. Okay, design. TCP is a connection oriented protocol. It is a connectionless protocol. First of all, we have to make the virtual circuit path for the transferring the segments using the TCP, whereas UDP is a connectionless service. Reliability. The TCP provide the error checking, transport, and also guaranteed delivery of the data to the destination route, that makes it more reliable as compared to the UDP, as it get a 100% guarantee that all the data from the sender to receiver will be it will be transferred, whereas in UDP there is a no guarantee of the data. So if there is an any occurs in error in TCP, then error will be rectified and again retransmission will be there. But UDP does not do this. There is no guarantee of the all the data will be reaches at the receiver, and if any loss is there, it cannot be recovered in the UDP. Then data transmission. Data transmission in TCP, the data is transmitted in the particular sequence, which means that the packets arrive in order at the receiver. On other hand, there is a no sequencing of the data in the UDP. In order to implement ordering, it has to be managed by the application layer. Means in TCP there is a in order, means there is a, all the segments are the sequence number, and at the receiver they are collected in the sequence only. But in UDP such things will not be happen. No sequencing is there, and no checking whether the all the data will be received or not. Then performance. TCP is a slower and less efficient in performance as compared to the UDP. Also, TCP is heavily weighted as compared to the UDP. On the other hand, UDP is faster and more efficient than TCP. As TCP contain all the data with all the error checking facility, because of this, a more facility will be available with the TCP. That is why it is a slower, and it is, and a UDP is a faster because it don't have any error correction, no need of checking the sequence, so it is a very faster data transmission protocol, and that is why it is slower and it is a faster. Then retransmission of the data protocol is possible in the TCP, whereas no retransmission of the data is possible in the UDP. Okay, I hope you understood the things. Thank you very much.